Very good evening. Today's video is about the evolution of network as well as the internet. Myself, M. Anup, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram campus. So today people are using internet. So in the world, more than 60% of the people are using internet, and uh, are we aware how the internet evolves, as well as do we have any idea how we connect through air, as well as how the messages are sent through the social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, as well as we are downloading so many files in the internet. So we are going to see the evolution of internet and what a network is. So network is the connection or interconnection of devices which is mainly used to share the document and informations through equipments like scanners, plotters, projectors, storage devices, etc. So in 1969, the improvement of the first system called as Advanced Research Project Agency network was introduced, and in the mid of 1980s, National Science Federation network, which is more capable than ARPA network, was designed. So this was designed with the combination of US Department of Defense, and which is not much considered as the public network, which is mainly used for colleges for sharing the information, messages, playing along with the separation of diversions and associated with the individuals. So after NSF network, so it is mainly used for academic research, not only for the kind of private business activities. We found or we formed internet. So it is the combination of ARPA network as well as NSF network as well as some of the private networks. So in 1969, ARPA network, which is considered as the first network which came into existence, and in the mid of, as I told earlier, in the mid of 1980s, NSF network was introduced, which is more capable than ARPA network. So the combination of ARPA network as well as the NSF network with the other private network form internet. And internet is mainly used to share the data or the information from one system to the another system. So there is a small story. We have the data in one system, and some other system need the data. So there is no availability of pen drive in order to take the data and use the data in another system. So we are searching for sending the data from one system to another system. So what happens means the introduction of cables as well as the topology, where we are going to connect the systems. So as we know, there are topologies like star topology, mesh topology, which is interconnected with the systems, and the topology is connected by means of cables. So the cables like twisted pair, coaxial cables, as well as fiber optic is used to transfer the data. So fiber optic is the new concept which is been introduced recently. So before that, twisted pair and coaxial cable is used to send enormous amount of data. So when the data is being sent from one system to another system, the cable is capable to transfer the data only at the rate of 10 kbps. Only at the rate of 10 kbps, the kilobytes per second, the data will be transferred from one system to another system. So they start thinking how the data can be sent without a cable connection. So how to go wireless. So this thinking of wireless network makes the researchers create a new platform called as a virtual connection, where the data is sent by means of packet switching. So there are so many switching concepts like packet switching, message switching as well as circuit switching, where we have the IP address to send the data from one system to another system. So the introduction of WWW, called as World Wide Web, it is a long journey of the network, was introduced in the year 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, who have created the most emerging technology called as WWW. Which works with servers around the world. So this is maintained by an authority called as ICANN. So the web is connected with the system as well as the servers as well as the cloud data centers. So here comes so many languages like PHP, Python, C#, JavaScript. So these languages are used at the back end language as well as in the front end language. We are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the languages which is makes a revolution in web. So the URL which is used to allocate the particular server as well as the web page, and we are using the database called as MySQL, MongoDB and MariaDB. So without the database we cannot store the data, and without the database there we cannot say that there is WWW or World Wide Web, because we need to take the data and we have to send the data to from one end to the another end. So you can see in this diagram, you can see how the data is sent from the sender to the receiver. So each and every data from the sender will be divided into packets and it is passed to the network. So by means of some algorithms like shortest path algorithm, Digistar's algorithm, distance vector algorithm or link state algorithm, the data will be divided into packets, and these packets will be sent to the destination. So for identification we are using the IP source address as well as the internet protocol destination address, and the packet will be having their own ID, and we have the data length. So with the help of the length of the data we can see that all the packets is sent from the source to the destination. So this is how the data is sent from the from the source to the destination. So nowadays internet plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, even though we are connected to internet now. So our system is connected with internet, our mobile phones are connected with internet. So for data sharing, it is a great medium which has the increased connectivity to send the data from one end to another end. So nowadays the advantage of internet which includes internet banking. So we are not going to bank and we are making a queue. If we want to transfer the data from one account to another account, we can just send the data. We can just send the amount through online transactions. So if you want to buy things, you are not going to supermarkets waiting for groceries, to buy clothes, for buying the household items, etc. So you have to just log on in your system, connect internet. So go to the e-commerce websites like Flipkart, Amazon. So there are so many websites that you can buy your things. So if you want to see a movie, so if you want to listen to some music, so everything is happening now by means of internet. So also nowadays people are not using newspapers to read the data. So most of the young sisters, they are going to Daily Hunt, Facebook, Instagram in order to see what is happening around the world. They are surfing over internet or social media in order to know what is happening around the world, right? So educational system is also more improved with the help of internet, like online classes, online platform where the students can just surf online and attend online classes and know more about the subjects, and this is happening through internet. So I am concluding the video. We cannot live without internet. Nowadays the situation is like, so you know that now we are online. Now even I am presenting the slide, my system is connected to the internet. So hope this presentation is helpful to you, and you will be getting some information about the internet and the evolution of the computer. So see you in the next video. Thank you.